Development, Department of Rural Development Office in Pangim Spaces building to have a general meeting with the staff to understand the difficulties of the staff and where we are lagging behind. So I have been given to understand by the staff themselves that this department has been lagging behind right from 2012. So it's quite a long time, and they are offline. Today they are offline from the center. Earlier it was manual. Then when everything went digital, so they had to submit day-to-day report to the center, and center would give them money. So they have not received money from the center for nearly 2 years, which money goes to the rural Goa, especially in all the schemes. So I have given them 15 days time to work on Saturday and Sunday also, to see that South Goa office and North Goa office goes online, and all the center has locked us on all the schemes. So center will open the online portals to us the minute we complete all our data, everything, feeding everything online. So the self-help groups are around 1,450 odd in North Goa. South Goa is around 850. So they have to give all the details of the self-help groups, their account numbers, their details of all those ladies who are in the self-help groups. Everything they have to feed. So it takes a long time. But our offices were not organized, and there was no good officer to take care of them. Today we have good officers, Sanjit Rodriguez. Plus we have shortage of accountants, we have shortage of junior engineers. So I have already moved note on the same day I have answered the question. So the notes are already moved to the PWD to give us staff on deputation. Note is already moved to Directorate of Accounts to give us one accounts officer on deputation. So we are also taking some staff on contract basis. But we will see that our office is all the problems what we are having in the office is sorted out, especially as far as staff is concerned and as far as going online is concerned.
So Michael, contract घेतले जाल्यार परत problem जावचो ना मागीर?
No, what we are doing, we only want some staff on contract basis for only 6 months. Within the next 2 or 3 months, we are taking permanent staff, that is 32 numbers. So the ball is already rolling. The first step we have already completed on going on to take the permanent staff. That is all the rooster is complete. The government all the sanctioning of the government which was pending has already been done. Now they are moving the file to the minister to clear it, means to me. So once I clear all the posts, I think the max to max it will take 2 or 3 months for the posts which are vacant to be filled.
So as far as idea is concerned, there are a number of schemes, especially when you talk about panchayats, self-help groups, everything.
People
So how are you looking at it?
repair their houses, build new houses.
How would you look into
under
it?
Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana, there is a scheme. Then there are schemes where people can be employed, bandaras can be built, people can be employed on daily wages. So that is the most important scheme. That is employing people on daily wages.
Self-help group initiative.
Self-help group atir I will take once we go online, and our self-help groups are recognized by our department and the center, so that the money can flow in from there. Immediately I will take meetings of self-help groups and see that whatever help they require to stand on their own feet, especially the bazaar which we are planning to build at Mershes, and there will be lot of stalls. I am talking about lot of stalls, mean nearly around 40 to 50 stalls where self-help groups will be given, different self-help groups from Goa, and preference also will be given to Mershes, that is Santa Cruz constituency, since it is India constituency. And all these self-help groups will have their stalls over there. They can sell दे आर डेली प्रोडक्ट्स वॉट दे मेक एट होम. जे घरा लागीं जे कितें ते करतले तयार सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. जेवणाच्यो वस्तू आसूं त्यो, क्रॉशेज आसूं, एम्ब्रॉयडरी आसूं, हँडीक्राफ्ट्स आसूं, वाती आसूं, मेणवाती, कितें आहा कितें करता पळय वस्तू तितले थिंगासर तांकां विकपाक एक तेंचें स्वप्न आहा की आमी कितें करता पळय तें आमकां विकपाक जागो मेळचो म्हणून. ते आमी पूर्ण करून दितले.